Hello, 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 and welcome. So I've been working on this disk drive for a while and having troubles with this thing here, which is the stopper. And I believe it's out of adjustment, or something's out of adjustment. So I have a better screwdriver here. I'm going to exert tremendous force. See, it's got essentially glue on it. Okay, I've got it loose, ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. I'm going to tweak it off a little. I think I've got it loose some. Yes, I do. So I'm going to let it hit it. And see. It doesn't sound quite right. So I'm loosening it off a bit. And the thing that I don't like about what this has been doing is that it hits on, right now it's doing the head banging. That's all fine. If I put this in, oh, it just popped out. It's not going to do that anymore. And that's just dandy. It is just dandy. But it is loose. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and stay out of the way. I'm going to load the directory. Oh, that's a blank disk. How did that get blank? Oh, that's not the good. All right, that's weird. Okay. Anyway, you know what? There. That's what I just loosened off. I've hardly ever had to do this, but I have to do it now. So stay tuned. Now that you know what I've adjusted, I don't need to show it to you again. We'll get back to maybe the regular angle and we'll see where we're at. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.